Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I've been super busy. Over a span of weeks, I have repainted the katana. I wanted to film the whole process, but it was like a day-by-day thing because the weather down here is crazy this time of year. It's rainy one day, sunny the next, freezing cold one day, warm the next, and right now the pollen's really bad. So I was lucky enough to get it done before the pollen got too bad. But without further ado, here she is. My 05 Suzuki Katana 600. And I consulted with the wife and I was kind of going back and forth with black or white. And she said to go black. So I went with the gloss black. It wasn't easy. And the paint job's not perfect, but I'm happy with it. Like I said, it took over a span of weeks to get this done because the weather was so crappy, and I really wanted to film it all, but I just didn't have the time to prep for all that. And of course, I got the custom graphics made. Mortal Kombat Dragon, I love it. I got the Iridium windshield, which I got sometime last year, but hey, custom. But there's my custom levers and bar ends. I don't know if anybody's ever seen that before. And then also I installed LEDs. I got them on both sides and up under the tire, which you can't really see right now too well because it's morning time. But yeah, I did all that while I had it stripped down. And yeah, it's a gloss black. I even sprayed the whole thing with the fuel resistant and oil resistant clear coat that I had for the tank. Custom gas cap. But yeah, also I had my channel logo made. I drew it out myself and had it made by the same person. Let me know if you like it. Drop a like on this video. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. I'm thinking about doing some sort of a giveaway or whatever. I mean, I got a few of them made, so let me know if you'd rock it in the comment section. And I might make that happen here soon. But yeah, I also attempted to cover the seat because the factory one, the cover I had on it, was done. 2005, it was done. And it's got a few wrinkles in it. I'm gonna try to fix that later once it heats up and try to pull those wrinkles out. But yeah, I got a few more things I gotta do. I gotta change the oil, chain adjustment. I'm thinking about doing the strip and polishing the wheel lips. I have a video of that if you want to check that one out. It seems to be pretty popular right now. Thinking about doing that on the back and the front. So that'll come later. But yeah, she's pretty much done right now. That's what I've been up to. Like I said, I haven't uploaded in a while. But we're about to hit the streets, man. Weather's getting nice. It's about that time. But thanks for tuning in. Like I said, drop a like on this video. If you don't already, you can follow me on Instagram. I've been posting pics of the process of this because I couldn't film it. So if you follow me on Instagram, you can see kind of what I had to go through to get it done. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, guys.